Hello, good day. So today I'm going to discuss to you the process on calculating the resultant vector and its direction. So bago ang lahat, i-review lang muna natin yung ating mga equations. Meron tayong equations na hindi ko alam kung na-introduce ko sa inyo to, but ito siya. A is equal to ax square plus ay square. Na kung saan, si A po natin ay siya yung magnitude of the vector. Si AX naman, this is the X component. Okay? And si AY naman, siya yung si Y component. So, paano ba, saan ba nanggaling to? I think that you are all familiar with this. The one that we call sa mathematics the Pythagorean theorem. So, ang Pythagorean theorem, ganito siya. So, sa hypotenuse natin, let's assume that this is 90 degrees. Okay, this is your side C, this is your A, this is your B. For a Pythagorean theorem, we have C square is equal to A square plus B square. Okay? No, it should be wala na yan. C na lang. Or, originally, ganito kasi siya, C square is equal to A square plus B square. Okay? That's your Pythagorean theorem. Now, kung ina-apply natin ito sa may vector, ito si A, ito si AX, since siya ay nasa x-axis, ito naman si AY. So, isa-substitute mo lang siya. Your C is your A, your AX is your side A, or kung ano mang side ang meron doon. Okay? So, for this part, we are going to use this equation. Okay? Going to use that. Take note of that. Now, this is for solving the resultant vector. How about naman kapag we are talking about the direction na? Dito na tayo gagamit ng ibang trigonometric function, yung tinatawag nating tan. Kung natatandaan natin, ang tan natin ay opposite over adjacent. If we're going to compare these two vectors, your opposite is your AY, and then your adjacent is your AX. Pero, ang hahanapin natin dito ay yung theta lang. So, kaya naman, ganito ang magiging equation niya. Your angle is equal to tan inverse AY over AX. So, this is your second equation. This is your second equation. Yung first equation natin ay si A is equal to sorry. Yung first equation natin ay ax square plus ay square. So for this video tutorial, we are going to use these equations. Okay? So I have here a sample problem. This is your sample problem 1. What is the magnitude and the direction of a displacement vector A if its components are as follows? Your AX is 10 and your AY is 5 meters. So, sisimplehan lang muna natin para magets natin. So, let us identify all our given. Ulitin ko, one of the keys para matapos mo or complete mo yung isang problem ng maayos at tama, you have to really identify your given properly. So, you have your AX, which is 10. You have your AY is 5 meters. So, what are you trying to solve? That's your required. Your A is, and then your angle of the direction. Bago ang lahat, gumawa muna tayo ng Cartesian plane para mas ma-visualize naman natin yung problem. Example, this is your Cartesian plane. Gamit ako ng different color at kapulan lang natin. So, una, yung AX natin ay 10 meters. Wala naman siyang nakalagay na positive, na negative. So, ibig sabihin, it's positive. So, since positive siya ay pa-right. For example, this is 10 meters. And your AY, wala din siyang nakalagay na negative. Kaya naman, itaas lang natin. For example, this is 5 meters. Now, we are going to connect these two vectors and then you will get your resultant vector from the initial position to the final position. So, we're just going to connect both of them. So, yung green na line, yan na yung A natin. This is your AX and this is your AY. Okay? So, ang hahanapin nating problem ay ang hahanapin nating angle ay ito. Okay? This is the angle that you are trying to look. Okay? Ito po yon. Okay? So, isosolve natin yan mamaya kapag nakuha na natin si A. Okay? So, try natin. Nipisan lang natin ng konti yung lapis. Ayan. So, ganito siya. What equation are you going to use for this problem? Ang equation natin ay, of course, A is equal to, it's very important na maano nyo to, na matandaan ninyo. AX square plus AY square. So, for your solution, you're just going to substitute it. This will be the part 1. For your part 1, A is equal to, your AX is 10 meters plus 5 meters. Yun lang. And then, you're just going to input that in your calculator and then you're done with your problem. So, that's it. Input natin sa calculator, 10 square plus 5 square, it's 11.18. What will be your unit? M. Okay, before you solve, make sure that your units are the same. And then you highlight that. So, ibig sabihin, this is 11.18 meters. Okay po? So, next naman na kukunin natin ay yung theta. This will be your part B. So, your theta, it's tan inverse AY over AX. Okay, so your tan, substitute mo lang ulit, simple lang, over 10 meters. So, input that in your calculator. How are you going to input that one? Ipipindutin nyo lang yung, di ba yung tan inverse? Bale, ganito lang siya. Shift, yung key na shift, tingnan nyo sa calculator nyo, and then, pindutin nyo yung key na tan. Makikita nyo na ito. Okay? So, pag in-input nyo, 5 over 10, so your answer will be 26.57 degrees. Okay? You highlight that one. And then, so, ang ating final answer ay 11.18 and 26.57. That's your sample problem number 1. So, this is sample exercise number 2. You have your AX and you have your AY. I-drawing lang muna natin ito sa ating Cartesian plane. Gawa tayo ng Cartesian plane dyan. Gumamit tayo ng red at kapalan natin para mas ma-visualize natin. So, your AX is towards your west. Kaya pa ganun siya. This is 25 meters, or you can also put the negative sign kasi nga papunta siya ng west. Now, you also have the second vector which is 10 meter. For example, this is 10 meter. Maglalagay ba tayo ng negative? Yes. Kasi po, it connotes your direction. Yung direction kasi ni vector natin ay pa-south. Okay? So, this is negative. Now, you're going to connect both of them from your initial to your final. Let's connect both of them. So, this is your A, and then this is your theta. Okay. So, for your equation, gawin natin, ano yung mga equation natin? Binigay na po natin kanina. You have your A is equal to ax squared plus ay squared. Theta is tan inverse ay over ax. Okay? So, gagamitin natin yan. So, for your solution, unahin natin kunin si A. Okay? So, your A is equal to 25 square plus 10 square. Ilagay nyo yung M. Okay? And then, your answer is 25 square plus 10 square. Your answer is 26.93 meters. So, ito na yun. Okay? That's your answer for your A. Now, for your second part, which is your direction, okay, you're going to use this. Tan inverse AY over AX. Input lang natin, tan is, your AY is 10, your AX is 25. So, your answer is, once again, shift tan, and then 10 over 25. So, your answer is 21.80 degrees. Is that your final answer? Not yet, but you can just highlight that if you want. So, paano siya? Ibig sabihin, nung 21.81, eto yun. 21.81. Now, you will be looking for the angle, yung overall angle from the positive x-axis. So, ang gagawin mo, mag-count ka dito ng degrees. This is 90. This is another 90. And this is 21.81. So, kung isusulat natin yan, 90 plus 90 plus 21.81. So, it will be 180 plus 21.81. This will be 201. 200.81 degrees. So, your final answer ay 26.93 meters for the magnitude and 201.81 degrees. Okay, always and always get your angle. Yeah, so that's it for this lesson, and I'm also going to teach you one more thing. Paano kapag hindi na siya, ito yun, wait lang, paano kapag yung vector natin ay ganito na siya, and you're going to get the resultant vector. So, ganito siya ha. Example, meron akong vector na 10 meters west, and meron din naman akong 15 meters north of east. Example. So, kung Cartesian plane yun, ano lang natin, ipa-plot muna natin para mas makita nyo. So, una, nag-travel siya towards your west. Pag ganun siya. Okay? And then, nagkaroon ka ng panibagong Cartesian plane dyan. Mag-ano ka ng 15 meters, 30 degrees, for example. 30 degrees north of west. So, this is 30 degrees. And then, this is 15 meters. This is 10 meters north of east. So, this is your initial, this is your final. I-connect mo silang dalawa. Iba natin yung color. Ayan. paano kapag ganyan na? Paano mo isosolve? Applicable pa rin ba si Pythagorean theorem? No, not anymore. Kasi nga po, si Pythagorean theorem ay applicable lamang kapag meron po tayo na form na right triangle. Ibig sabihin, kapag yung isa ay dito, 90. Ito naman, wala naman po tayong 90 dito. Okay? So, yan yung ituturo ko sa susunod na video. Pero, pero yung tuturo kong sa susunod na video, it will no longer be part of your exam para sa mga students ko. Hindi na part yun ng exam natin. Okay? Pero maybe soon mapaquiz ako about that. I-insert lang natin sa second quarter. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for listening.